The reason why I even agreed to the proposal was because of their bargaining back then, and that reduced the phased-out vehicles from all traditional jeepneys to just those that are decrepit and literally having parts falling off the road. Although I agree, they should up the load. Kasi nga again, 210,000, 280,000 is not enough. Lalo na kung ang lowest end is again 1.5 million according to the LTFRB. Kumbaga, hindi naman talaga nila, or at least kung walang modernizasyong program na ito, wala silang gagastusin. Pero ngayon, papautangin mo sila ng 210 to 280,000 o bibigyan mo sila ng 210 to 280,000 tapos kapos pa sila. Ganun yun. Matatandaan natin ilang beses na nagkaroon ng transport strike ang ilang grupo ng mga tsuper at operator tulad ng Malayang Alyansa ng Bus Employees at Laborers o Manibela at pagkakaisa ng mga samahan ng tsuper at operator nationwide